Hello. Hey, Mans. Yeah, so um I made a custom account for my bot, but the bot isn't subscribed to any channel other than mine because I'm not paying for the bot to be subscribed to other channels. Um, yeah, that's why we don't have emote stealing anymore. But the normal ones you can still do energy, you can still do Bob, at least for this month. So if you don't want to subscribe but use the emotes, that's the last month that will be possible. And after that you need to pay. Um yeah. So we still have our Arctic Space Fox credits. We still have our GitHub account, we still have our Discord account. Everything is working. And I should actually change to my in-game screen. Oh, one thing I want to do. Hey Ghosty, how's it going? How are you today? Let's open another window. Okay, let's see. Going good? Yeah, I'm a bit better. I had problems with my Crohn's lately, so I'm glad that's better now. Let's do every 5 seconds for 10 seconds. For 10 ticks. Let's make that 6. So you get 10 points per minute. 10 points per minute would be 60 points per hour. Something like that. Yeah, you can see my bald head now. So I shaved extra for stream. Yeah, I'm okay. It's getting better now. So let's save that. I'm gonna kill the bot now. Said I'm gonna kill the bot now. I made the bot unkillable. Wow. That's not good. Ah, whatever. The only thing that's problematic is that some people have insane amounts of points right now. Meh, it's fine. We'll do a wipe or something like that, and the most active chatters will get some of the points transferred. Okay, today we're doing something completely unrelated to what we do. Yeah, we only got the points yesterday, so it's no wonder that you're, let's see, you have 20 points. You can also do exclamation mark points. Let's see if that's working correctly. Did I configure that correctly? Probably not. So every 6 seconds you should get 1 point. That didn't seem like you get 1 point. Wait. Okay, let's... That to the side. Rigged system. Yeah, oh, if you chat, there's a certain amount of time you'll get points after that. And when that's done, you won't get any more points. So you need to stay active in chat. So main. Give points. You get the points per tick. Points config. It's bigger than tick speed. It's also correct. The ticks per message should be configured correctly. Yeah, let's hope they won't just spam. Let's see again. I'm at 56 points. So if I do test and points right after, $66. So I started with 56. They got 10 points. That seems way too fast. Execute order 66. Let's go to config toml again. So per message, you get huh? That's not what I had planned for today. Yeah, that's not working correctly. We set the last... Yeah, that's way too fast. But let's see. You do get... Okay, we take the current time. We get the last check. If the last check is bigger than tick speed in seconds, then it should give you... Oh, that's also wrong. That's the problem. That is the problem. Right here, right now. Gonna divide by the... Are we dividing? Yeah, we're dividing. Points config tick speed. You knew it all along. what was it? F32? Yeah, it was F32. Oh no, wait. Why is this a F32? That's the bigger question. Okay. Right. Go to definition. Why not 128? Because there is no float with 128 bits. But I think a U64 should actually be sufficient for that. Because who needs sub-second ticks? Okay, let's check again. So now we do as F32. Yeah. It's the only reason that was in here. So now we can do... What can we do? No. Let's just divide by RT points config tick speed. I think he used 64. Yeah. Okay, let's just quit out of here. Kill hardbot. Oh no. List, not list processes. Count processes hardbot. No bot is running right now. Sorry, Phaeton, I just killed the bot. And we're gonna do remove config hardbot data. Sorry everyone. No abusing of the system. Okay, so we're gonna do cargo watcher again. Can you? Oh, I'm still in resize mode. Okay, so now the bot should be working and everyone has 0 points. Systems exist to be abused. Well, yeah, just chat. Gonna test if it works correctly. Let's do points. I have 1 points again, still 1. Should get more sometime. Yeah. And if I wait for a minute, I should have... What should I have? I should have... $10 points after a minute. Yeah. 6 already, so it's still counting up. Let's quit that. Well, the minute is done, right? 8. 2 points to go. Oh, can't just type points here. I'm having 10 points now, so yeah, every message you do resets the tick count. So if, let's say you write something, and after the first tick you write something again, your tick count gets reset. That's how you get 11 points. But I shouldn't get more than 10. Yeah. Yeah. I'll show you the implementation again. So in handle message, again, in handle message, if your message doesn't start with an exclamation mark, so if you don't write a comment, your name will get ticks added. So that's the ticks we configured. So you get 10 ticks. Let's see. Config, hardbot, config. Yeah, so you get 10 ticks to your name. And after that, so we wait for at least a second, or almost a second. Yeah, so the most efficient thing you could do is write once every every minute to get the full amount. Also, the amount gets saved too. So let's open the data toml. Your remaining ticks get saved too. So if I end the stream right now and kill the bot, when the stream resumes and the bot gets fired up again, your points still increase from the last time. So nothing is lost. And the really cool thing about this, I talked with Brookzerker about this, because it's dependent on time, you can use it in multiple chats. So let's say Peyton Rules and I would want to collaborate on something, and we could actually use the points in each other's chat. I mean, we would need some system in place to transfer them, but we could actually do that. And we could even use different rules. So if he wants to generate points faster, he can do that. But because they depend on the time a person is active in chat, we can actually translate between the values. I think Brookzerker already... if user equals Peyton rules, points... Well... Hey, but that's actually not the thing I wanted to do today. So let's write and quit out of here. Did you define... What do you mean with did I define users? Just... Oh. Ah, now I got it. I'm not. It's a common misunderstanding there. Yeah, you should chat more. It's still not what I wanted to do. 95 points, nice. Now you're starting to get points. Sadly, you can't do anything with it. Also, a thing I want to do, once I get the whole event thing going and can actually read channel points, I want to do a channel points to bot point conversion. The other way around won't be possible because I can't give you channel points, but you can translate the channel points into bot points and do something with it. But let's close that. That's what I'm wanting to do today. I had an idea for a new Minecraft challenge, Minecraft streamer challenge, something like that. Just recreate Mixer with all of these animations on screen, easy. I mean, I saw something. Okay, wait, let me just get my browser. Need to open Reddit for a second. I found something really cool. I think yesterday or 2 days ago on the Rust subreddit. Just need to get my saved subreddits so I can move it on screen once I'm there, because I'm not opening random Reddit. So let's see, saved. Also, we do have channel point redemptions now, so. Instaban, yeah, probably. Here it is. Let's just open the GitHub page. It's probably more safe. Let's go here. Let's see here. Yeah, I'm not going to press that. Yeah, so it's Project Lightspeed, and the thing supports the faster than light protocol from Mixer. And you can use it to completely self-host your streaming platform. And I would show it to you, but because I'm an affiliate, I can't actually live stream to another service, even if it's my own, at the same time. So we can't actually do that live on stream. But I thought it was a pretty cool project, and if someone wants to look into it, here's the link. Yeah, you can host it yourself. So if you, the whole thing, that's just a stream server. That's just something like Mixer that you can host yourself, which is kind of cool and entire neat, because there is no simple solution to creating your own streaming platform. And depending on what you want to do, you might want to self-host, because if I want to do something that would actually be fine, but is against Twitch TOS for some reason, and I still want to stream it though, that's one of the ways to do it. So like, I can't even find a good example. See, that's the one example I didn't wanna bring up. But yeah, you're not 12. I know you. You're at least 13. I'm just kidding. That's still living ahead in my head. Yeah, I mean, I think there is also a rule on Twitch where you can self-harm or harm others. So you probably can't broadcast boxing matches or something like that. Thanks, Cropter, for the follow. So that would be another thing. Or if you just let's say you already have a brand, you already have I don't know, let's say you're Red Bull and you don't want to use Twitch for streaming because you want to do your own service on your own web page, then you can use that to just do that. Yeah, and if you wanna have the cool emotes, if you wanna have the cool emotes that Arctic Space Fox made for me, you can right now either type !Bob and !Energy, and the bot will post them for you. But that's only a 1 month, thing. So if you wanna continue to use them, you will have to subscribe. Also, you can do type, and the amount of ease you type will, the more ease you type, the more bobs you get. I think it's limited somewhere. Okay. By the way, Ghosty, have you checked the Discord already? The announcement channel? Crazy thing we're doing, hopefully. Do it. Just open the announcement channel. It's the first picture in the... Okay, for everyone else, that's a thing I'm wanting to work. I already have it on screen. Had it on screen for a few seconds. The idea is to make a Minecraft server and a special few developers who will be invited by me will be allowed to just upload whatever they program as a plugin or as a mod. And there will also be normal players. It's not really a secret, but I also don't want to market it right now because I haven't got my version yet, and I'm not actually sure if the quality is good. So it's just a preview. If the quality is bad, I'm gonna find another company to make me one, and we are going to sell those things in one way or another. But right now it's just a teaser. So then in the next, I hope I can get it until Friday. Otherwise, I will show it off on stream next week when I got it. Maybe we'll just unbox it together, and then you can order it. Then I will drop the store link, and I think I already have said enough. It's actually amazing. Okay, so yeah, Minecraft server. You have two groups. You have developers and players. Both developers and players will be able to play on the server, but the developers can write their own plugins and mods for the server. So I'm thinking about something like you as a developer can do a plugin which drops the weapon of the player every 60 seconds or something like that, and just upload it without confirmation, without checking, and once every day we're gonna do a server restart, and all the new plugins and all the updated plugins will get loaded. So for you as a player, you never know what you really want, what you really are getting. So you can stream Minecraft while having a crazy experience every day. And for the developers, you can stream your Minecraft mod development and can do cool things. But in order for that to work, Plugins would be pretty easy because plugins are completely server-side. So we would just need to set up a CI server to automatically build the thing. And if you want to join, sure. We just need to set up a CI server which automatically builds all the plugins, moves them into the correct folder, and checks if the server still will still run or something like that. So we do need to set up some staging and some server-side stuff for that. For mods, it's going to be a bit harder because we could actually work on a mod loader or on a special mod which would automatically download all the server mods for you if that's something that doesn't exist right now. Because then you could also just create some completely crazy things that aren't in the base game. So that's the basic idea. That's the basic idea I want to do. Set up something like Hermitcraft, basically. Yeah, but with an it's crazy amount of mods. Also, I wanna have some special rules in there. So I still want it to be fun. So we are not going to do a plugin that kills everyone instantly as soon as they spawn or something like that. I don't want to remove essentials. Maybe change recipes, so instead of using iron to just craft a pickaxe, you would need, I don't know, iron and stone or something like that. But I don't want people to just remove something that's necessary to play the game, because that wouldn't be very fun. You can make it harder, you can make it strange, you can give it random enchantments and stuff like that. And we would also need to set something up to communicate, because if you're doing mods, every item has to have a unique ID. And if the IDs conflict, there's going to be some strange things. So we need to find some rules about that. How many people will be playing on the server? That's completely open. So let's do 2 be defined. Player count. There is a proximity chat for Minecraft. There's already a plugin or mod for that, I think. Yeah, you can check out the Offline TV, Minecraft videos. They already have something like that, but I don't know if that's an official plugin or not. But that's something we probably should get going. Also, developer count. Mail system is there are already plugins do that, I think. So on the current server we have, on my current Minecraft server, there is already a mail system. It's fine. It's completely fine. Staging server to test all the plugins mods. Yeah, maybe one of the developers will do something like that. The thing is, I think I wanna start with a pretty vanilla Minecraft. So the expectation you should have when you first start is that there's just normal Minecraft plus maybe some plugins like proximity chat, or like you said, a mailbox or something like that. And everything else should probably be provided by the developers who join, I think. Yeah. I mean, maybe if someone wants, they can just copy and paste the source code of some random mod and, and put that in there. But let's just hope that nobody does that, because I think that would be actually kind of boring. I mean, if they change something, if they say, okay, I wanna have a special mod in there, but I wanna change certain things about it, sure. I think we should start with dev rules. I think that's one of the most important things. So, like, don't remove essentials from the game. He can be... Might start streaming again when I'm allowed to play on that server with you guys. You should also start streaming again when you're not allowed to play on the server with us guys, because your streams are cool, and I want to watch them again. I want to see you fail in Star Wars again. By the way, if you haven't already, go follow GhostDVR. He's a very talented streamer. He sadly doesn't stream that often, but when he does, it's always cool. So just do it. Can be replaced or made harder to obtain. Which Vim is this? It's NeoVim. I'm using NeoVim with let's show off my cool thing. Init Vim almost. So it's NeoVim with a few plugins. Theme is NightSense Office. Some small bindings I did. Yeah. I'm not lying to my viewers. I'm telling the truth. So this is the whole repository for my setup. It's pretty Arch based because I use Manjaro, by the way, not Arch, because Arch is too much work for me. At least the base setup is too much work for me. And let's just show that off. There are certain scripts in here. So, does NeoVim work on Windows? It does work. Base NeoVim does work on Windows, but you need to play around with it when you want plugins installed, because you need to install Python for some things and the correct Python libraries. Also, you need Node.js for the CUC autocomplete if you want to use that, and a few other things, a few other dependencies that you need to get right in order for it to work correctly. But once it's running, it should run perfectly fine on Windows. You should just open, not open. You can install Alacrity, which is the terminal emulator I use, and use NeoVim from in there. Or you can use the WSL. So with the WSL, and set up new vim in there to get a more Unix-like feeling. Or you can just do what I did and dual boot into into Arch as your second system. Don't insta-kill players. Killing players is allowed, but only with items or traps or something like that. So like I said, I don't want people to spawn, take a few steps, and just die, just drop dead, and not having done anything, because I think that wouldn't be fun, except maybe for the developers for a few seconds. But killing players with traps or killing players with special equipment that doesn't work as intended, or not as intended, as expected. That's what I wanted to say. I think that should be fine. I think that's okay. No, I don't wanna. So, wait, does it render correctly? Vim wiki alter HTML. So let's open my trusty Firefox again. Check out the Vim wiki. Okay, so it does do the indentation correctly. Got it. So more rules. Don't create bugs, please. That should be the #1 rule. Test your plugins, mods. Try to not crash the server. That's the thing I fear the most, is random crashes, because some dev thought they checked the case and then they didn't. Okay, let's actually make categories for that. It's gonna be general. Then this is going to be file access. Developer will get signed a certain amount disk space they can use. I'm not actually sure how we will do that, but we have to implement something like that. Not only a certain amount. Signed. Where's my hand? Here's my hand. So, so we'll get assigned a certain folder and amount of disk space they can use. Reading and writing outside folder is prohibited. Is prohibited the right word? My English is not working again. It's not allowed. So it's completely clear for all. So it's completely clear for the not native English speaking persons, peoples. Reading right outside this folder is not allowed. Yeah. Database access. It's the question mark. It would be cool to provide a database for everyone. I think it would be better than everyone just reading writing files all the time. Any other things that developers should or should not do? Do not. Yeah, just do not. Could you do not? Do not just copy and paste another mod. You can, however, use small mods as a basis for your mod. Something like that. It's just that the people don't go and say, okay, I'm gonna use the mod XYZ and copy and pasting all of it, because that's not what's intended with the whole thing. Do you have any other ideas? Anything else? Oh, yeah. Do not let's make it consistent. Don't create InstaBin mods. So no infinite source generator thingies. So don't want anyone to make a mod which just spits out 1 billion diamonds and now you're the richest person on the server, but you need to enter a certain cheat code into the chat for it to happen, so that only the developer can use it. Yeah, let's leave it at that right now. I just had something in mind. Oh, also another thing. If you have an idea and you might think it's not a good idea, please do still say it in chat. Okay, so right now we're just gathering everything we can get, and we'll sort out the not so good stuff later. I think there's missing something. I think there is missing something. There's something missing. Missing something. I don't know. To restrict. I think that might be just. Oh, wait, that could just be OS. OS rights, OS file rights. What are those called? File access rights. Now let's leave it here because it's not finished now. CI server. Yes, please create it. Let's make topics. Okay, let's see. We have shouldn't those be in different folder in the rules folder? It's fine, it's fine. Hi Yasmin, how are you doing? How was your day? Did you sleep more today? Or did you sleep 2 hours again? We have CI, which means Continuous integration. Actually, it's CI/CD, not only CI. Other way around. Got 8 hours of sleep this time. That's very nice. Not count. Continuous delivery. I'm fine. I got my Giggle Juice going. the can one. Also, the Crohn's is getting a bit better, which is always nice. So let's do this. Enter. That's CI index. Save that. Copy that. Ooh. Did you subscribe? Or did you just hack my emotes? Did I miss something? Hack my stream? It seems like it. There's no hacking allowed. Why are you doing this? It's not nice. So... Oh, got it. That makes sense. So... it's also 1. Server. Okay, that's working. That's saved, that's saved, that's saved. Do just ls. Okay. So everything is saved. I'm gonna read your message in a second. That's wiki all. Yeah. Okay, so let's see. When your energy is low, this happens. just a grayscale. Grayscale Bob the Giggle energy juice. Giggle juice. Oh my god. Just distribution in your eyes. That's true. It's Bob's identical twin sister, who is also called Bob, which is Bob backwards. Thinking. Yeah, so just there is Bob, which is the normal one, which is our trusty Giggle. And there's also Bob, which is Bob backwards. And you can see it on the if it's big or not. Bob squared. Okay, CI server Probably going to use something like Jenkins, something like that, because it's pretty easy to set up, and I've already worked with it, which is a big plus. So, close this. And close this. Oh. Let's see, iServer. Let's name this Can, I think Fluffy, do you know that? Can Jenkins do continuous delivery as well? I think it can. We'll just make it do whatever we want. That's fine. Let's see. Let's go one up. I think there needs to be backlinks as well. Okay, let's go here. And last line, we'll do index wiki and we'll name it up. Does it work? It does work. So here we'll have wait. There should be some kind of thing which name I can't remember. Some kind of index probably. Let's remove that. Gonna figure out something else. We are going to figure out something else. Okay, while we're thinking, Minecraft mod in Rust? No. Minecraft Madness. That's I think we already talked about this. But I mean, yeah, you could probably just do the mods in Rust as well. But the idea is to have some people program mods or plugins, and some people just playing. And every day, let's say 6 in the morning or something like that, on server restart, we'll just load all the changes in all the new mods, plugins, and whatever, and let there be chaos. So that's the basic idea. Just everyone who will get selected as developer will have a dedicated GitHub repository, and every night we'll just pull all the changes, build the plugin or the mod or whatever, test if it crashes the server or not, and if it does not, we'll just push it to the server, and on the next reload it's gonna be there. And I think this is going to be hilarious. Gonna do so much crazy things. And also we already have some rules. So like, don't just insta-kill people. Like, if people spawn and move 2 steps and just die without reason, that's not what we want. Yeah, and all of that is going to be inside some kind of pages when we're done. Currently I'm using WimWiki, but I think I'm gonna use something else to document all of this, so I will transfer it. I will transfer it to some other format and publish it somewhere, but maybe GitHub pages, something like that. But for now, I think it will do. Okay, can we actually move this into roles/dev? Cannot rename file with path. Okay, that's sad. I mean, we can... Nah, just leave it. It's fine. Do not bother. The thing I want to do real quick. Just go to our bot. Projects, Rust, hotbot. Yeah, we have redemptions. We already had redemptions yesterday. So if you want to see me drink water, obviously, you can redeem it now. You can also make me stretch. But I'm still not sure what stretching actually means. So the only thing I'm gonna do is actually stretch. Russian water? Yeah, the only water I drink. There's also a posture check in there, which I'm not going to use because I'm never gonna fix my posture probably. But yeah, we have redemptions. We have a pronounced word, yes. If you want to see something, some other crazy thing, which is only possible because of Yasmin and Arctic Space Fox, you need to join our Discord. Just saying. Okay, what did I want to do? It was mostly both of you, so don't sell yourself short. Both of you. Yasmin did the design, and you did the energy design. So and all of it is awesome. The design is awesome, the Giggle juice is awesome, everything is awesome. So let name equal to... No, not let name. Let message equal to message dot... Wait, can't I just do... What is that? 7? Let's do 7. 7 dot dot. Wrong button. Trim that. So if is empty, still not quite used to the Vim movement. No, that's actually stupid. So if message is empty, will return message name. Else you mean the name hardliner? That's a very good question. I'll have to think about that because I chose the name like what feels like a billion years ago. So can Twitch names contain an @ sign? I don't think so, right? Nope. Okay, then we can do replace @ with nothingness. Let name equal to this. And here we're gonna do name. Just name. And it does not compile. Okay. Oh yeah, we can just borrow here. But now this needs to be borrowed as well, I think. Okay, now this is a double borrow, I think. Oh, come on. Does not live long enough. Okay, can I do this instead? No, I can't. It's the same thing I had earlier. I'll just have to clone this one. That's the problem. Just to clone here. That should be it. So here we need to borrow. No, wait. It will work for now. Yeah. So now I can do points at Fluffy. Oh. Huh. So we need to... Oops. Change in... That's not... change until here. Let's do name. Yeah, just stole your points. Point stealing for the win. Let's try that again. Nice. Should we continue with some bot dev, or do we continue with some Minecraft mod madness design? There is currently nothing bot dev. Okay, let's kill that. Let's just change everything. Let's change stream information. And we changed. We're a different person now. This is bot dev Steve, not Minecraft design Steve. I want to do both. I actually want to do free. I already changed it. So I'm naturally going to vote bot dev. Yeah, the thing is, I want to do about six things right now, and that's actually not possible. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to take a short break, go to the toilet, and I'm gonna be right back. So and I'm back. Okay, let's see. Here's my scene. He is. Mancy is also a streamer. So if you're into German streams, if you're into German streams, you can definitely check out Mancy stream. I think he does mostly Call of Duty stuff. Do I see this? Is this correct? Well, I say German. He's Austrian as well, so you can't expect real German there. But I think it's close enough. But you do stream in High German, right? It's full as advertising, yeah. I also recently learned that it's actually called High German. Okay, do we wanna make a give command to give points to another person? I think that would be nice. Yeah, in my part of the country we speak High and Low German. Yeah, in our country we speak almost German and not German at all. The Austrian dialect is kind of... you can call me quantum German speaker. You both speak German and not until you're observed. Oh boy. Currently I do nothing, just searching for the right thing for me to stream. German and English. Yeah, do programming. Make games. I think you would... I think you're able to make creative stories and funny stories. So just get something like what's it called? Do something like RPG Maker, which is pretty easy to do, and I can teach you a little bit of programming for that, or almost all the programming you probably will need for that. And then do some story-based games, make some stupid stories, something like that, or just do some role play. I think that would fit you. But obviously you don't need to do anything I say, and you can just stream whatever you want. So else if message starts with give. Wait. Can't we just exit here? Wait, not exit. Can just return none here? Make an else here. Oops. Yeah, do it. I would even join if you need someone. Okay. Plug in. Do what I want, please. Does not. Maybe I'll program some P into my body. Why are you complaining? Oh, makes sense. That actually makes sense. I'm always kind. Make it a shared reference. Oh, I love programming humor. I think I need to figure out how to do Tmux. And because here on the bottom, that's my watcher, which recompiles my code. But I kind of want to split the normal output and the error output in separate windows. Too rich to understand. Let's not talk about rich people, rich stuff. So let's do none here. Now E, let's do cargo format. But lazy people, because the brace thingy doesn't do what I want. So now we can do let message equals to message and just strip off the first character. Now it won't compile, probably. Can we two-string that? Okay, so now we BL. Okay. Dot 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 so that's gone now too. That's 4DD. That was not 4DD. It's 3DD. Oh, by the way, for the non-programmers in here, when I say stuff like that's 3DD or 4DD, I'm using Vim, and if you can see on the left here, there are numbers. So if I want to delete this line until this line, it's the line I'm on plus 4. So 5. I can do 5DD and it will delete 5 lines. So just so you know what I'm actually talking about. Truly rich is somebody who has what he needs. What if I need money? I'm really happy with my life and the things I have. It was just a joke. Why not have the non-relative line numbers? Because I find it kind of cool. Why don't English speakers call Germany Deutschland? Because they can't they can't pronounce the Deutschland correctly, I think. What do you need money for? Yeah, to buy to pay my artists. I need to pay my artist. Okay, now here we can. What's I majored in philosophy, though. So this is an interesting topic. Pay your artist, why? Because my artist does amazing work and doesn't want to take any money. Socratic calcul. Do we interpret a line full of exclamation marks as hacking or not? You ask why until you get the true reasons. You can ask me why all day, and the reason is the same, because my artist is insanely talented and deserves all the money. That's the only reason. That's the only reason there is. There's nothing else to it. And he must take it if he wants it or not. So. Wait. Is is what I'm typing in chat right now. Is this hacking or is this not hacking? I mean, it is obviously spam. Yeah, and Neon is also right. I think we can count this as hacking, right? I don't need to make a special case. Yeah, you spelled Arctic wrong. See? That still doesn't work. Okay. Wait. Let's just... Oh. Hey Stupak62, thanks for the follow. Okay, let's try again. Oh no. No. It's not strip. Okay, let's do iter. Hey Chase 123324. Oh, raid! Hey Beaconbot, how you doing? How was your stream? I heard you have a pretty normal stream nowadays. How was it? What did I do? Yeah, no funny business going on in Beacon stream. But I think Beacon stream allows hacking, and hacking isn't allowed here, so sorry guys. Beacon is the normie stream, but this is serious. It's a serious. Oh, sorry. Is there no skip? Iter? I mean... And thanks Carl van der Geest for the follow. And thanks for the follow Beaconbot, and thanks for the follow Neat Java. So many follows, it's actually crazy. You're also nice. But why doesn't the thing work? And another one. Thanks for the follow user 129835. Yeah, the bot is pretty basic right now. And another one. Who did I miss? I think I missed someone. If I missed you, I'm sorry. Thanks for the follow. It's really kind of you. Huh? OS isn't working. Did I break the bot? I did break the bot. Oh boy. Skip while. C equals exclamation mark. Thanks for the follow, Dark Matter 450. Now we're gonna do collect into a string, hopefully, and see if that works. It does not. No method is found for struct string. Is that so? Can we do into iter? Oh no. No, it's called chars. Strange. I need Java. Oh, I'm sorry, I need Java. Thanks for the follow. It's very nice of you. So we need to ampersand. Can we now compile? Okay, we can compile now. So let's try the bot again. Let's do It's actually wrong command. Let's do that. Still no hacking allowed. Why? I know why. Dot into go to definition? No. Import into, there is an import into. Thanks for the host, Mancy boy. That's really kind of you. So let's go here. Where is my implementation? Here's my implementation. Let's remove this. Recompile. Okay, let's try again. And I fixed it. Very nice. So for all of you who are wondering how we recompile, that's actually a custom script we did. It's actually custom script we did. This is our cargo watcher. And our cargo watcher will check if any .rs file or .toml file has changed. And if it did, it tries to recompile. And after it recompiled, if the recompile is successful, it will restart the whole server. If it's not successful, it will keep the old server running. So I can just hack away on the thing I'm working on. And if I introduce something which doesn't compile, the old bot will still stay running. Okay, so where were we? We were by making a give command, right? So sender is message.name. Let receiver is message. Gonna trim 4 characters. Trim. I think I should make a function for that. Function get name from string. We'll take a string. We'll take a string and we'll return a string. Can we just return the reference? Is it possible? Oh. I think it's not. I think replace. Yeah, replace returns a string. So let's change this to string. Then we can do. We can also do the trim in here, right? Wrong button. Other way around. I'm kind of new to Vim, so if you see me doing the same thing, the same wrong thing multiple times, that's the reason. So we do trim. We do trim replace. Not on here. the wrong thing again. Gonna get name from string. Message. Uninstall Vim, install NeoVim from Suez and GitHub. This is NeoVim. But it's all, I think it's nightly NeoVim as well. So delete until the end of line. The thing is, I was a Windows user until 3 weeks ago or something like that. So on the last or second to last stream of last year, we installed NixOS in a virtual machine just to show what NixOS can do. And while we were at it, we thought, well, let's just start using Vim. And after I was done with streaming for the year, I thought, well, I could actually just install Manjaro and play around with it in the 2 weeks. And yeah, now I'm here dual booting, almost booting almost every day into Manjaro instead of Windows, and just opening Windows for some games. So I'm happy. So we do $D to delete. No, we don't do $D. We do $C and close that here. Also, I'm trying to commentate a bit what I'm doing in Vim itself. So for if there are other Vim newbies in chat, they can learn with me. But it got way less in the last few days in doing this. Okay, let's borrow here. Let's see what we can do. Hey, Bastard T, how's it going? How was your day? So we have a receipt. That's actually not true. We need to split this. So we don't need to slice that at all. So sender stays the same. Gonna do let parts. Good, thanks, I slept a lot, but now wide awake. I didn't sleep as much as yesterday. I'm trying to get into not staying up late again because I'll have to work. Not tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, I think, Thursday. It's not the first stream. I'm streaming. When was the first stream? Sunday? Saturday? I actually drove to Vienna on January 1st. So either January 1st or January 2nd was the first stream of the year. So let's do message.split. Let's do message.split. We're gonna split on white space. Let's remove that for now. If parts, we have the GIF keyword itself. We need a receiver and we need an amount. Do we need an amount? Let's start with the amount first. Let's do special cases later on. So we need a length of 3 exactly. Then Oops. So if we have exactly 3, we can say let receiver equal get name from string ampersand parts 1. Let amount u32 is no match parts 2 pass passing into u32 because yeah, I think it's not very cool if you give minus 1 point or something like that. Thank you for the sub, Buster. Was there no alarm? Did I miss the alarm? No alarm? Also no nothing? But the follow is working. Including the alarm and everything. No nothing. Didn't see. Okay, wait. We can't go without alarms. Where is my Streamlabs? So the test subscription does work. Huh. Strange. Sorry. Really sorry. Yeah, so bees for knees. That's a cool name. Thanks for the follow. So if we have an amount, it's an don't be so nice. You're way too kind to me. 4 knees, yeah. If we have an amount, we're gonna do things, and if we don't, that's actually not a none. That's an error. We don't care about the error. We actually don't care about that at all. So in this case, we're gonna send some text back to string. There's so much cleanup I need to do for this. It's actually insane. If it's not free, we're gonna send some text back. What text? I don't know. And here we're gonna send, you guessed it, some text back. Expected semicolon. Oh yeah, because it's inside a side braces. I think it would actually be pretty cool if we could fork bees, because I think they're dying right now. So, oh, collect that into a vector. Now that's running. Should remember to place my fingers correctly on the keyboard. Okay. Would you like not crash, bot? Thank you. Oh, the help thing doesn't include... The help thing doesn't include the dynamic commands, only the static replacement ones. You need to specify a receiver and an amount. Example given. For example, if at I am hardliner, give me all your points, please. So now if I wanna give okay. And I should drop the add from here. Otherwise I will get spammed every time someone mistypes the command. So in here, the amount you specified is not a number. Is Python easy to learn? It is, apparently. I think it's one of the easiest languages to just get started. But I don't particularly like Python for bigger projects. But that's more personal preference. Yes, the snake. So you get a flute and sit outside in the streets, and then you blow into the flute until the source code comes along the way, and that's how you program Python. Whoa, really learning is done with Rust and Haskell? I mean, it depends on what you want to do. If you just want to work in something for small scripts and small stuff, going with Python is probably fine, or going with C# for that matter. Even Java is kinda okay if you just want to do something for a start. And don't worry, the opinions will come on their own, so... Okay. If runtime data headers. If we have a sender, some sender. It's not an if. You fell in love with Haskell. You should try Idris once. It has some. I think I showed you, right, with the case split thingies. It's actually really cool. Yeah, I love proofs. It's also not right. don't know why this isn't working always. So that's the sender name. Now we can do sender here. It's my receiver. It's the receiver name. I think. I do think sometimes, so. I think if we do this, and do this, it doesn't work. So that's not the right thing to do. Crap. Where are my Vim professionals? I do not. I'm using COC. I'm trying to keep this mapped forever and disallow remapping it, but because I think some other plugin I added conflicts with that. I mean, I could just do leader F2 or something like that. Or I could actually just do F2. I had it below the plugins and I moved it up because I thought if I defined it first, maybe it would work, but it also just works sometimes. So, but I can do change big word and just do F2 or something like that. Is that possible? Can I do just F2? Oh. Reload. Cannot do just F2. Sure, what if you put it below? You can see existing mappings by doing nmap. Okay, so I'm doing nmap and leader rn, right? Yeah, that's the correct thing. Now it just works. Strange things. Also, the flickering you're seeing when I'm exiting Vim here is my custom script reloading everything. What the input steps are, but maybe it needs to be below the plugin since you're using a plugin function. That makes sense. Let's just move it. Let's do 4DD. Go down. Paste it here. Write quit out of it. Reload. And it's still mapped to the correct thing. So it might just work. Let's see. If I have to reload sometimes, it's... We'll just do that. Oh, Vim movement. That's the only thing that's kind of bugging me right now. One of the plugins, the plugin to insert pairs, is making me jump to the closing bracket, but I just want to insert a closing bracket. So I just can insert it here. Okay, let me just check what's auto pairs. Okay. Vim, auto pairs. I don't want to insert impair, insert new indented line after return. No. No. I don't want to have quick jump to closed pair stuff. Fly mode? What's fly mode? If jumps in mistake, meta B. I haven't enabled this. So let's check that again. I'm doing bracket, meta B. Okay. Wrong direction. The other one direction. Okay. You do not have any points to spend. Oh, we should also prefix. Should prefix everything with the sender name. Is it G equal equal? Oh, let me check. Is that the correct line? G equal equal? No, not quite. Oh, if you select it, does it do the same thing? G equal equal? Okay, 3 times. If you do it 3 times when it's not selected, then it will auto-format. The auto-format is still kinda strange. Because I have 4 everywhere else. And here it's 2. Whatever. Oh. So if every part returns a string, we can just do let response is this drop ES, yeah. That's the hardest thing, learning all the commands, all the plugins, how to navigate. Oh, why is the lurk command not working? Did I remove the lurk command? Sorry, Yasmin. I know you didn't want to hack me. Or did you? getting a response. Getting a response, so... Kinda sus. Hybrid maybe, that's a good idea. Have you seen what I've posted in the Discord? I do not want to show it on stream yet, but actually should show it on stream. Should show the picture, generate a little bit of hype. Show it? Okay. Let's just show it. We're doing a thing. We're doing something crazy. So, okay, I wanna just make sure it's... So, it will come in the next days, and I can test if it's actually as cool as it looks. But I found a site where you can design your own thermos mugs. And if the quality is good, I'll drop a merch link for everyone who wants to own one of those. And if the quality isn't good, I'm gonna find a new company who does one for me. So we'll definitely drop some Bob merch. So if someone wants a cool mug to drink out of, which also keeps your drinks cold or warm or room temperature or however you like it. Also, that thing is not plastic. So that's a real thermos mug you're getting. That's not just some cheap plastic thingy. Just saying. If you want to get notified when the thing drops, you should either follow the stream or join our Discord. Which material? What's it called in English? Let me get my Google Translate going. Stainless steel. That's how it's called. Thermal isolation mug. Yeah, it's stainless steel with a plastic cover. I hope it's as awesome as I think it's going to be. So we do need to format formation mark. Then we can do YCA. No, that's not what I wanted to do. YSA. That's what I wanted to do. Why? What does it actually do? YYMCA. Nothing. Okay. Only YMCA? I did something and I don't know what. It deleted almost all my code. Let's not do that again. Dangers of Vim. The wrong thing again. How did I do that? I know I know the YMCA song. I just wanted to try what Wim would actually do. S, that's also the wrong thing. YSC? No. That's the thing I wanted to do. Okay. Let's do this in here. We need a colon. Don't need a colon. Just paste it. Sender has no points. Let's go here. Do format. It's so cool. It is insanely cool when stuff works in Vim. It's also the sender. And here we also want to do the sender. What OS is this? It is Manjaro. We also have an OS command for that occasion. It's Manjaro with i3 gaps. NeoVim with Office theme, I think. Sender. Okay, and here we do some response. And nothing is working. Okay. And there's also my scripts repository, which you can check out. Oh, it's sender name. It's not sender. E for go to end, A for append, sender name. So next to search the next one, dot to rename. Oh, next. Okay. Does it work now? Could not compile. Oh, that makes sense. Let's do this for now. That works. Okay. Okay, let's just show my cool scripting skills off. I made an init script for myself, which doesn't work properly because it doesn't actually rebind the escape key how it should. But everything else works. So if you use Manjaro or Arch, this will install everything that's needed to get the system running in the same system running that I do. So that's just binaries I use. Like there's the i3 gaps in here, there's JQ in here. Wait, let me finish my explanation, then I'm gonna do it. It will also change your shell to fish shell because that's what I use. It will install NeoVim nightly. It will install Snap. It will install The Python plugin for NeoVim Nightly, it will set stuff up, and it will also config fish config fish. So there's also a fish alias, a fish function. That's the VC thing I'm calling, which does provide autocomplete for your config folder and automatically runs the install script once you're done. The install script, I can show you the install script, will move all the config files to the correct folder and reload your i3 and install all your Vim plugins. So you don't need to do that every time. It will also integrate a secrets file if you have something like this. I'm not going to open that because there are my Twitch tokens in there. So we'll just load that and you can be done with it. It also sets your npm paths, so on and so forth. So it's quite a few hours spent scripting all of that. And now if I do write quit, you see everything flashing again. That's installing the copying the config files and installing my Vim plugins. Okay, back to here. Let me try to pronounce that. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Right? Yeah, nice. Okay, so this is gonna get so deeply nested. I was too slow to say DNA. Yeah, my viewers are way smarter than me. What did you have? What was on the menu today? So receiver. Well, this receiver is data chatters get receiver name. That's so not gonna work. Salmon sandwich. Cool. You're more skilled than I am and hold more in character. I do not. I definitely do not. So if we don't have a receiver, gonna just say name again. It's not a registered header. Just so you get something out of it. We'll do the sender name and the receiver name. Also, Buster T is way more nice than me. So to be done. What's broken? Expected reference. Let's give you a reference. No, why? Because it's the truth. It's an illusion. So let's try that. Let's do give. Okay, it's still does the thing. Okay, let's do give. Let's do give something. You need to yeah, that's okay. Let's do give something some amount. He's not a registered chatter, that's okay. I'm the nicest streamer you know. That's very kind of you. But I don't think so. Arctic Space Fox is extremely kind. Almost everyone in here is extremely kind. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey bot, what are you doing? Panicked. Yasmin killed the bot. Thanks, Yasmin. So it's 6 now, right? I'm the devil in person. Ah. You should probably clip what I'm gonna say right now, because I'm not gonna say it again. I think you're actually quite smart, Mantz. You just don't show it very often. So it's running again. My shift width. Oh, I actually can't type. Okay. Yasmin is rich. What's a shift width? This is the indentation, the set indentation stuff. I mean, I could just Google it like a normal person. Shift with Vim. Oh. Wait. We're a Vim user now, so we do help shift with. Returns the effective value of shift width. This is the shift width value unless it is 0. The types of value. Okay, I wonder if that's what made it format with 2 spaces instead of 4. The thing is, I think that the 4 space indentation is actually cargo format, which I normally run every so often. And maybe Vim just is configured for 2. So no, that's the wrong file. Yeah, you got it. I'm the level of devil who wants pineapple on pizza. Mods, can we ban him? No, just kidding. Don't actually ban him. Yeah, that's actually a really good idea. Normally, I work with 2. Kinda. But can I also make that setting file type specific? Oh, that's cool. You swore an oath? You swore an oath to ban everyone I tell you to? Is that the oath you swore? I like Chinese noodle with sweet sauce, some pineapple. Am I evil? Yes, you are. I lost all my respect. No, I don't. I didn't. I'm just kidding. Let's reload in here. Let's do G equal. Okay. Let's do cargo format. Shit. No, load file, it should be fine. Pineapples are not even tasty. They are. What are you talking about? Pineapples are great, just not on pizza or toast. It's easy. Don't put pineapples on other food. Just eat them, like a normal crazy person. Okay, so what are you complaining about? Unused variable amount. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. So let's do some actual coding. If about pizza and pineapple, only if the pizza is smaller than the pineapple, then it's okay. If amount is less than sender points, stretch. Let's do stretch. Oh. I should also stand up a bit, probably. Gonna take the microphone with me. You would put it in shift of settings. After. Oh, okay. So I can do just custom things by putting in the correct file. Standing Steve. Yeah, I want to get a standing desk, an electric one, which I can just put up and down, and a bigger one than I currently have. But let's see. Jumping jacks would be a funny option. Well, my neighbors downstairs would probably not like that because I'm not in a house. So let's not make them angry. I want to live here longer. Ah, cool. That's good to know. So we did the stretching. We need to hydrate. Just put books under your desk, Lex. I mean, I could probably do that, but I only have ebooks and I don't have that amount of money to buy enough ebook readers to put my desk to make my desk into a standing desk. I would need way more Twitch subscribers for me to be able to do that. So sadly, let's just wait until I can afford a normal standing desk. So sender dot points. There needs to be an equal sign here. Sender points minus equals amount. Some nice info here, short and sweet. Just pull that up. Stack Overflow should be pretty stream friendly. And move that to my main browser. Yeah, also if you're wondering, everything, so my desktop 7, 8, 9 are all my second monitor, which is my OBS, my browser with my normal tabs on, and so on and so forth. Every other tab. Yeah, the comments thing is kind of not exactly working as it should, because there are comments missing. Okay. Receiver points plus equals amount. format. Send points to. So what is this bot about? Giving other users points. Currently we're doing the giving other users points part. It's also so you can just type !OS like Stupak did, and see what OS I'm using. And later on we're gonna do some games. So did you catch the magic system stream we did, where I started designing a magic system for a game? That's one of the ideas I wanna integrate into the bot, so you can spend the points to train your magic ability and then fight each other in chat. Something like that, at least. Okay, so we have sender name, amount, receiver name. Okay. ICTF22. So else taking a break of T-Worlds. Yeah. Sadly, so we can't play. Yeah, not right now. So most of the time I don't stream. I don't want to stream games. I want to keep it more programming and informational, and hopefully later that year also do some programming teaching. You don't have enough points. And that's the sender name. Almost. Send name. Also, I'm not good in T-Worlds. I use 64. Maybe we can do that. You 64. Making servers and mods. True. People say this is good for helping type first at keeper.com. Says the guy who flies like God through the game versus me hitting every wall. I mean, I'm 10 year. I've already played 10 years ago almost. So typing practice. Oh, that thing. Yeah. I already tried that once, and I'm not gonna try it on stream because my typing is actually terrible. But I want to do something like this. I want to get better with typing. But I'll probably wait until my new keyboard arrives and do it over with that. So is it working now? It's probably not working now because it's not mutable. So... Oh... That's not going to work, probably. Let's see if it does. Oh, no. Oh, this is... Wait, the sender needs to be mutable as well. Cannot borrow shadows as immutable because it's also borrowed as mutable. I didn't think of that. Didn't think about that. So we do need to... we need to reformat that. The thing is, in Rust you can't mutably access... You can't have more than one mutable alias to a thing. That's why this isn't working. So... question is how do we do that? Let's take this out of here. Let response equal to... Does it fix that as well? No, it doesn't. So in this case, we're gonna do... Let me think about that for a second. I think we should just split it up. So let's get this. If we have enough points, we'll return none. Oh. Else we're gonna return this. Also, do you want me to install something which shows the keys I'm actually pressing? Would this be something that's interesting to you? What's a response? Yes? Not here? So we have a yes and a no. I think that's something it would help for people who want to learn more about the Vim key bindings. I will look into it. If it's too distracting, I'm probably not going to do it. No, that's let's call it sender error. It's not quite right, but whatever. And let's cut all of this, paste it down here. This is going to be a receiver error. So if let some sender error, we are going to turn the sender error. Else if let, does that work? Hope it works. Gonna do receiver error. Else what am I doing? Okay, so that's gone. That's gone. Let's reformat. Let's reformat that. So key data feathers entry sender name, no unwrap. Obviously there needs to be unwrap. Points minus equals to amount. Does it compile? Why are you complaining? Oh, that needs to be some. I actually forgot my variables. Receiver error. Okay. Can't I force this? Is it and modify? So we can do nether sender dot points minus equals amount. So delete right? So that's done. Now the same thing for the receiver name. Now it's called the receiver Now it's going to be a plus. Now that's gone. Oh. Let's remove that. Because I need to use it later on. Let's clone this here. Okay. They do have. Just wrap that into some. Just wrap that into some, and now it still doesn't work. Okay. If and else have incompatible types. Oh wait. Let's just compile again. Oh, I misspelled something. Receiver name. Next. Receiver error. This is found to be of type standard option string. Oh, so now I don't need the sum. That makes sense. Okay, what are you complaining? We can actually remove all that. Do an is none. Delete these two lines, simplify that. No, we cannot. Sometimes thinking is not easy. Okay, but then now it should work. So let's see. I can do points. I have 30 points. Let's see. Buster T has 200 points, so I can do give Buster T 1. And Buster T is not a registered chatter. Wow. Why aren't you registered chatter, Buster T? Is there some problem with big and no? The casing is all small, so that can't be it. And I killed Wim. Should unbind everything that has to do with killing Wim. Oh, oh, that makes sense. Is some. Send 1 point. Nice. Nice. Nice working. Cool. You can now give points to other players. So now I'm going to kill that. Its status. Give diff. What did we do? Okay, we changed some things around, changed some types we needed. It's probably the same here. Yeah, we simplified the common stuff. Okay, git add, git commit. Simplify command handling. Allow users to give each other points. Gonna push that. So I think we should do some admin commands as well. And we should definitely do some cleanup. I know I say that every stream. Let's just make this a bit smaller. Maybe change title. Now let's... Comment for changing the title. The bot can't do that. We would need a WebSocket integration for that. But I'm not gonna do that on stream because of the problem with that is you need to play around with the whole OAuth thing. And if I'm going to do it, I'm gonna do it right. So you don't need to provide anything else other than the client ID and client secret probably. So you just need the stuff that the official Twitch thing gives you. And everything else will get auto-generated for you. But in order to do that, I would need to probably show my client ID and client secret. Or I wouldn't need to, but it would probably happen because you need to switch so often. I check it all the time. And that's a thing I'm not gonna do on stream. I'll just gonna do it off stream. Yeah, I'm just gonna do it off stream, and when it's done, we can just drop it in and use it. But let's see. I mean, one thing I want to do someday, some other day, because I need to restart OBS for that, is to make a command to change, my scene back if I forget. Because sometimes I just get back from a break and you don't see me at all because I forgot to change the scene. Maybe something like you can do exclamation mark scene or something like that, and I'll get a big pop-up above my screen to accept it. Would be pretty cool. Oh, and another thing, I want to show off. I found something cool. I found something cool. Let's see if I can find it. CD Projekt Rust. No, I don't. I think it's on the other PC. I found something like IM GUI, but completely written in Rust for games, and maybe I'm gonna do a small bot UI with that to visualize some things. Or maybe we just integrate it in GG Easy and run it as a game. I don't know. Okay. But I think I'm gonna end the stream for now. Already 3 hours in. And let's see what we do tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow we'll start with the whole Minecraft thing. Do a little bit of Java. Wanna join Discord? After the stream? Yeah, I can join Discord. For anyone who wanna join my Discord, alone right now I'm bored. Yeah, we can do something. Let me just switch to my ending screen. Yeah, so thank you. Yeah, you can also join my Discord. Thank you all for watching. I hope I see you all next time. I hope you have a nice evening. If you want, you can join my Discord. Be nice, then everything is going to be fine. You can ask questions there. I think we don't have it linked. I also have an Instagram account now, which we will populate with pictures someday, hopefully. Yeah, I think that's about it. So, like I said, have a good evening, and we'll just raid someone. Let's see. This time I'm not forgetting. Working on a Postgres parse 3D parser in Rust. That seems cool. Check out all my streams. 9 viewers, let's do it. Oh, and he's on Mac OS. Always thinking about the raid in the last second. So, then again, thanks for watching, everyone, and I hope I see you next time. And bye.